Every time Somali mother Batul Mohammed Amin gave birth, she put her life in danger. Batul, who had her first 6 children without professional assistance, would bleed heavily and fall unconscious. Her 6th child bled to death after the traditional birth attendant mistakenly cut the baby during delivery. When she got pregnant again, a social mobiliser in Garaway, northeast Somalia, encouraged her to go to the nearest clinic for a checkup. Subsequently, she had 3 babies at a health facility without complications. Her latest child is a healthy boy called Ahmed.
When I realized that I was pregnant again, I was advised to go to the clinic. I started by going for antenatal care, where I received treatment and I was given medicine and vaccination. I did what they told me to do, and they also gave me a package of delivery kit. So when the labor time came, I was brought here where I delivered my baby.
Since the construction of a new maternity wing at Gambul Maternal and Health Clinic in Garaway, which was accompanied by a campaign in the community, the number of women giving birth here has gone up to between 120 and 140 a month. UNICEF and its partners, supported by the European Union, has been upgrading such centres in Puntland and other regions of Somalia. These centres are provided with basic emergency obstetric and neonatal care facilities and refer women with serious complications to hospital.
Most of the mothers used to deliver at home without any assistance. Only few could afford a traditional birth attendant. Mothers used to die because of excessive bleeding, but now everything has been solved through the support of UNICEF program. Pregnant women are coming to the clinic because they know they will get medical and professional assistance.
The program includes a large training component with courses for doctors, qualified nurses and midwives, and community health workers. Traditional birth attendants are encouraged to persuade women to come to health centres or hospitals for antenatal checkups and to give birth. The clinic is open 24 hours.
UNICEF realized that the mothers are dying in the bush as well as in the towns because of hypertensive disorders and anemia and prolonged and difficult labor and also in malaria. And in that case, UNICEF decided to establish emergency obstetric care facilities and comprehensive emergency obstetric care facilities. And now the mothers, they are coming, they are delivering safely.
Having a baby still poses one of the greatest risks to the lives of women in Somalia. In Puntland, more than 4 out of 5 births take place at home, with only 5% of women going to a health facility in the rural areas. With a Somali woman dying as a result of pregnancy-related factors every 2 hours, it's critical that mothers receive proper medical attention in hygienic conditions. This EU-funded programme will ensure that mothers like Batul receive the medical support they need for themselves and their newborns. This is Susanna Price reporting for UNICEF. For more information, go to www.unicef.org. Unite for Children.